Hi friends! Today for math, we're going to be solving a part-whole number story. What do I mean by that? What I mean is, I'm going to tell you a number story where you're going to know what the whole is, and you're going to know what one part is, and we're going to try to find out what or how many I have in the other part. So let's start with a story about cookies. I love cookies. And let's say I had 5 cookies, and you can look at my plate. Here I have 5 cookies. We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cookies. And let's suppose I told you that I have 5 cookies and 4 of them were Oreos. And I want to know how many cookies were chocolate chip. Did I have 1 cookie that was chocolate chip? 2, 3? I don't know. So if you look at my plate, you can see pretty clearly that only 1 cookie is a chocolate chip cookie. And you can see that because you have a visual in front of you. So one thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a picture because you're going to make your visual. But if you look at my 5 cookies and I take away my 4 Oreo cookies, right? If I just take them away, it's going to leave me with the other cookies. And in this case, it's only 1 chocolate chip. So by taking away the part that you know, you're going to be able to figure out how many are in the other part. If I have 5 cookies, like I have here, and I know 4 of them are Oreo, and I take those 4 away, I can easily tell you that only 1 cookie is a chocolate chip cookie. So we're going to do that. And we're going to draw a picture to help solve our problem, just like we did with the cookies. So let's say you'll have a sheet like this as part of your work. So let's just use this to do our example. So with the cookie example, I had 5 cookies. So in this sheet, you'll see I have a 5 frame, I have number bonds, and I have a place for my sentence. So I'm going to draw first 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are my 5 cookies. Now, in my story, I told you that 4 of them were Oreos. So I'm going to draw my 5 cookies here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 were Oreos. So I'm just going to color these in so that I can see that these 4 are my Oreos. So you'll draw in your picture, and I'll do it over here as well. You'll draw something so that you can clearly see the part that you know. So I'm not going to color them all because only 4 of them were Oreos. So here are my 4 Oreos. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when I look at my picture, I can tell right away that 1 is a chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to draw my little dots for my chips. And now I can tell that this part is my Oreo part, and this part is my chocolate chip part. So here I go, and I'm going to fill in now my number sentence. So 5 cookies, that's my whole. So I'm starting with 5. And then I knew that 4 of them were Oreos. And I solved the other part by taking those away, right? If you look at my plate again, I had 5 cookies, and when I took away the part that I knew, my 4, it left me with just 1. So I'm going to write in my number sentence 5 minus the 4, and that equals 1. So I'm going to write a 1. And here are my parts, 4 and 1. You can see it here as well. 4, that's 1 part, and 1. So I'm going to write my number bond. 5 is my whole. 4 were those Oreos, and now I know that only 1 cookie was a chocolate chip cookie. Let's see if we can do another problem. And this time, we'll use coins. So let's suppose that we have 5 coins, okay? And we don't know, let's say we only know that 3 of them are white and 2 of them are brown, okay? So we have these 3 that are, 3 of them are white and we don't know how many are brown. So here's our drawing. All right, just put them in here. You'll draw your pictures. And I'm going to put 5 coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 of them were white. So I'm just going to color these 3 in to show this part that I know. 1, 2, 3. And I want to know how many coins do I have that are brown. So if I put a circle around my coins that are white, that's one part. Now I can tell by looking at my other part how many were brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and write my number sentence and fill in my number bond. 5 coins were how many I started with. I started with 5 coins. So here's my 5. And I know that if I take away the 3 that I know I have that were white, it's going to leave me with the other coins. So I can tell that I only have 2 coins that are brown, right? When I take those 3 away, I'm going to have just 2 coins left. So I'm going to say 5 minus my 3 silver coins. So 5 minus 3 is going to give me my 2 brown coins. So I know that 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. I only have 2 brown coins. And now I can go ahead and fill in the rest of my number bond. 3, those are my white coins or silver coins. And now I know that if I have 5 coins and 3 are silver, that means I only have 2 brown coins. So that is my other part, 2. And you can see them here as well. So for math, you're going to be solving these types of problems. You're going to have this piece of paper to help you, and you will fill in all the parts to help you solve the problem. Remember, draw a picture. Use your picture to help you figure it out. Okay, friends, that's it. Have fun. Bye.